Hello, I'm Justin Smith, and welcome to another Designcenter NX tips and tricks. Today, we're going to explore a new way to enhance your productivity, using Copilot directly within your NX session. This functionality is only available within our X products and not in any traditional on-premise installs. My task today is to animate the safety gate on this card machine, and Copilot will be assisting me with this process. You can access Copilot by selecting the 2 stars next to the search bar. This initiates a session with Copilot, where you can ask for assistance with various tasks. It's important to note that when you prompt Copilot, it does not access your current session's data. However, it can use your previous commands for context, similar to how command prediction anticipates commands based on your workflow. Copilot has provided an explanation for setting up this animation process, and the response includes annotations for additional context and related links at the bottom. Click on the sources at the bottom will direct you to the reference material. For example, if I wanted to learn more about speed motors, I could click on that source for more information. This initial response is helpful, and it also demonstrates how effective AI prompting can lead to more specific and detailed responses. So as a follow-up, I'm going to provide more detail to Copilot as to what I'm looking for. As you can see, this response is more comprehensive, and since we already have a rigid groups defined, I'll proceed by setting the door frame with a fixed joint to constrain it, just as Copilot instructs. Next, I'll add a revolute joint at the hinge and define the limit of movement. And to confirm the direction, I'll set the upper and lower limits to positive and negative values. Then I'll quickly check with the joint jogger, and this will confirm the direction and allow for any necessary corrections to the revolute joint. While we finish up these tweaks, I'd like to point out the value that value-based licensing has added to this workflow. VBL has given me the flexibility to use Copilot in parallel with Animation Designer, along with any other applications that I may need to complete my workflows. Now when I hover over the highlighted commands, you'll also observe that the path to the command is highlighted with a red box around the command. We will then use a position motor to create the animation. The final step is to add tracers, and I'll follow Copilot's instructions on how to add tracer points to the animation. Once I play the animation, you can see that tracers have been placed. I can now export these tracers if needed by following the provided instructions. In this demonstration, we've seen how Copilot can assist us in understanding how to create animations in Animation Designer. Thank you.